Here's a 2010 Chevrolet Avalanche. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, ultrasonic park assist, remote engine start, power adjustable pedals, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, and front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Hurry in today for a test drive.
63 South in Rochester, Minnesota. Experience, click or stop in today. We're conveniently located between 40th Street and 48th Street Southeast on Highway 6.